Hi and welcome to our BMW 320 diesel GT X-Drive. Finished in Estoril Blue. Got a lovely spec on this car. It's the M Sport, so the big wheels, all absolutely perfect. Inside we've got the Black Dakota Leather, supplied with full and comprehensive service history, just been serviced, and it's got an advisory-free MOT up until November 2022. Really nice condition. You wouldn't think it had done 66,000 miles. Electric tailgate. Again, the car is just really nice condition throughout. You'll struggle to find a mark on it. We are able to offer finance, and we'll also take in any part exchange that you've got. Please do give us a call on 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814.